Leon checking in from TechCrackedWeekly, and today we jack back into the Motorola Razr Fold. Today's broadcast is a demonstration of a quick hack for flashlight deployment with a chop-in gesture. When triggered, the user also gets a drop-down notification on the display. Now, if you're using a Motorola Razr Fold like I am in this tutorial, the feature appears inactive if your device is unfolded, likely to prevent accidental drops due to the awkward size of the device in the unfolded state. We'll also add a next tier upgrade in the form of vibration feedback through software. Let's dive into it. So we'll start by swiping down from the display once if the Motorola Razr Fold is unfolded. Then we'll look for the gear icon and tap on it. And we're going to swipe up until we see gestures and tap on it. Now, quick side note, if you're working with a traditional glass slab device that doesn't fold, what you'll see here may look a little bit different. With the Razr Fold and other foldables, we get more screen real estate, so we can view more information in one single window without swiping. So in the gestures menu, we'll swipe up until we see fast flashlight and select it. The user can then view an animation for an idea of functionality and tap the slider to change it to blue to enable the feature. Now I'm going to disable it because, again, I want to demonstrate that you can only use this feature when your Razr Fold is folded. So if we enable it, you'll see here we have fold device to use. This gesture is only available when the device is closed. Once again, when it's not unfolded. So we can tap got it. Looking to enhance the quick hack with vibration feedback, you'll see that we have a gear icon here. We can tap it. We can then enable a vibration function when we perform the gesture to enable the flashlight. So your device will also vibrate when using the chop-in gesture. So that's it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, Leon checking out.